Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the stickers in your video on the edit shape. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to open the app, and after that we need to open the reels in which we want to add, or if you want to create a new, you have to click on this plus icon, and then you have to choose the photo or a reel or the video, whatever you use. I'm going to click on this add, and after that now we have to go to the sticker section. As you can see in the last, you will get the option of the stickers. So let's click on the sticker, and now you need to choose that which type of sticker or the Giphy you want. If you want to search any kind of specific, you can also do that, and other are also provided here. For example, I'm going to use this one here, so you have to click on this, and now you have to add the location that where you want to add this. For example, I'm going to add this one here. So if you want to split it, and if you want to create a duplicate sticker, or if you want to delete the sticker, you can also do that. And as you can see, once you are done, you can manage the duration of the sticker as well. I'm going to increase the duration as well. So as you can see, and we are done. So in this way you can add the stickers in your reels on the edit shape, and I hope you guys understand this video. It's very easy. So see you in the next video.